Hi guys, it's Kyne with CBC Life, back again with another makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this super bright, high impact glitter mask look, perfect for music festivals, concerts, photo shoots. If your regular highlighter is not bright enough for you and you need something so bright and obnoxious people think it's weird, this is the tutorial for you. Let's get started. What's the one thing better than glitter? Lots of different kinds of glitter. We're putting it on a large area of our face. So instead of just using one, let's create a mosaic with several colors and shapes and sizes. I have this gold, silver, and like this rosy bronze color, which I'm gonna mix all together, using mostly gold because that's the overall color scheme I want to go for. And I also have these larger sequiny glitters from the craft store that I'm gonna add in later. I'm gonna start off by laying down a base of gold. I have here this Makeup Forever color stick of some sparkly gold face paint, and I'm laying it down as like a background color so that if I miss any spots, there can still be some gold there. It's by no means necessary for this look. I just want to show you guys a bunch of different products you can use to get different styles. Like you could stop here if you wanted. All I'm doing is just applying it with my fingers to the top of the cheekbone, working up along the brow bone and temple, sort of in like a C shape around the eye, and just patting it into blend. To stick the glitters, I'm going to be using this NYX glitter primer. It goes on clear, so I'm just patting it in a big area where I want to put glitter. And on a little surface on the side, I've mixed together those first three cosmetic glitters that I showed you earlier, and I'm going to put them on with a brush. The smaller the brush, the more intense the glitter is going to look and the more control you have, but the edges will be harsh, whereas a large brush puts it on very diffused over a large area. I would go for like a medium size like blush brush or highlighter brush, something around the size of what I'm using. That way it can go on diffused, but you still have some control and you can be careful not to get it in your eyes. And I'm just putting this all in through that C shape that we talked about. You'll notice that I'm kind of swirling it around because I want it to look really blended, which is really important. And after this is laid down, I'm gonna apply more glitter primer over top, and then using my fingers, I'm gonna put on some more of those larger specks of like iridescent glitters and sequins. The thing with this look is we want to kind of make it look effortless, like the glitter was just sprinkled on our faces homogeneously. Like I don't want a bald spot somewhere, I don't want a harsh line where you can tell that's where the glitter stops, but it's hard to blend glitter since it kind of just sticks where you put it. And if you try using your brush too much, it can just flick it right off your face. So I always go in with just a light hand and swirl the product in as opposed to stamping it right down. And when it comes to the larger specks, I concentrated it mostly on the highest point of my cheekbone where I wanted it the shiniest, so I put most of it there, and I put less of it everywhere else so it looked like it was just diffusing outwards onto the rest of my cheek and forehead. If you find that there are some specks that are not sticking, you can use something with a stronger hold like lash glue. The one that I have happens to have a brush tip, which is really convenient, but you could use like the tip of a makeup brush. These will hold anything as large as like full-on rhinestones, and they will stay longer. Anything bigger than a rhinestone, by the way, I would use like a special effects adhesive on to make it last the whole day. Lash glue is actually a great alternative if you don't have the glitter primer I used. If you wanted to substitute it for that, I would use a little dollop of lash glue on a surface and actually mix it with a couple drops of water or saline solution to thin it down if I was going to spread it over a large surface area on my face. The reason why I recommend to thin it down is because if you use full-on lash glue, it's sort of just overkill for just glitter, and your face would start to feel kind of tight and crusty, which is not how you want to feel. You want to be able to smile and move. Finally, to finish this look off, I just decided to add mascara and lip gloss, and that's how you create a glitter mask. This is the finished look, everyone. I hope you enjoyed watching and that you learned something cool today. If you liked it, be sure to follow me at onlinekyne and follow CBC Life for more videos like this one, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!